A fantastic morning. I'm not so say the good evening some tawdo say Badwam go kan see. Some na na toss there's a fata saltina. Ye Badwam no de brewa no pa bia. Wala natural mineral water. Am na yesi akonkon ya de ba wala natural mineral water. Eno munsuo keke. No munsuo ya boju so. Ensuo a wo ye sure. Say impurities bia nim. Nya na krogen ya sone so krogen na wo no wala natural mineral water no danchan ya me pacho ene ya woda o chena feed Black Friday is on e Franco Trading Enterprise bibia obeto bia no ya teso be kokodu be ye 40% sana be ya obetumi atode opeso to bia bronyan bora Franco Trading Enterprise say a phone and I say air conditioned fridge speakers and I say television 32 inches go see 86 inches TV bia air condition bia ope bora Franco Trading Enterprise. So my sponsors and pay amoke homa yeden samno ede ebre wo Sergio Manocho Bernard Pade we me producers Keju na kasane Erica Siedu bo be hyase onim se afia ba na ye die nti Black Stars on komo kakra na le be hyase ne haresa ne ebesi akora two-time Africa Cup of Nations winner George Alhassan osanso one-time top scorer or AFCON. Not in some to just say almost days and almost see a kind of Black Stars on your Quenya, Sanko Bessia kind of Yama Burkina Faso, but you're not just about body Yama Ghana, and they ought not say no Renachia, we uncle Boma Burkina Faso, George Alassane.
I think I may Baswa, and I come Casse.
Come on, my come on, Magana.
There be Safinanka.
And make up
Nena, me bo in
Burkina,
and come Burkina.
Four-time African champions.
I say Burkina is 0. But I say no more boy intimation.
Why would you say over choose Burkina? How no I did top scorer of campaign?
Say and say Ghana need to be called Abruchi Koboma Abruchi for. And yes, and can say
we have the recognition and we hear as a legend.
Oh no. No, it's not.
Oh,
Obiambumi. Oh, Obiambumi.
How did you?
Oh. I say this time the young ones are bano. Omunimu ye. Omunimu ye. And I had time or so. World Cup, one country neko. Boa uko drew in Algeria. No more beings will go park, so no more show. Oh my 2 times.
And I am one qualified. To just a son no more sound.
Yes, and I son. Yes, son. This time, who say VR in Intino. So, boy, obedient means is you. What was obedience Ghana? Obedient means is you.
More be more.
It may be more.
Say, any lady come back was
oh, say no more be. Say, a drew baby name painful to me who said, wake up in the near be qualified because of Sir. It's CCN or CCN. You know more any that African also change.
Well, the no.
I wake up ukwa untimi nje. Better no aji wake up.
Pasa na wakasi ni mboche wonti kamu kwa na kamu ya nyeden no.
Say
kamu ya nyeden ko shemu ho a. Right, former Ghanaian international George Alassane. Now, Yekopiemu with the Ghana Football Association, among communications director Henry Asante Chumno then someone to just say, "Adia bakwa Afcon a young queen no." Emano a sea san on a say Tanafi Mangola Beshe or say Hona a Danny Bibia.
Your boy, first match ever Angola, you lose to me at Yamship, and I don't know. It's been extremely difficult to understand what happened and what led to your first ever Angola. When you ask people around the team and those I speak with, they catch up with Angola match on I lose to Kumaseno and a high win throughout the qualifiers because African game no bedroom pempen so be a away now. It's become extremely difficult to win, especially in our circles. Semi recent win against Mali June Etonchea. Then last time your team no winning away. Until over qualifier this year. Yeah, not the most important, and especially when your away performance is not the best, try to win your home games. Until you lose to Angola, it took me a very long time to recover. In my conversations with the director of marketing, even the president, I told him that Angola match could haunt us in future. We're hoping to bounce back against Niger and came back to Ghana against Sudan because of factors and was how much I knew that it wouldn't be easy because of the Ghanaian factor, the region. Unfortunately, in the course of these qualifiers, we had multiple factors.
Right, and the Henry Asante Chuma de Tuja. And I also say my family who are Zongo Fair, Boston and then on the 23rd and the 24th of November. Paya na June music and Adom TV na kambomu CJ Multimedia Social Life ya kambomu ed Zongo Fair eba nuane games agodia hodwo me ko zongo mono ni zongo stew ni ntina meko enuane ahodo zongo culture ni ade a yebe display no enya sam keto akra mbenfa ehunje mo sports ahodo ebe koso no horse racing ebe bo TV game swimming boxing bibiabi ebe koso ho no musicians ahodo na eba the likes of Wendy Shea Rascal Kumo nyina eba be se ho enya ize kra Zongo Fair 2024 Baso Accra New Town Oshel station ho Honey de so to head Zongo Fair tadi ehye I guess ye so boabo ho ye tutu ye nan sane kontufuri tu Zongo Fair 2024 ye so kan Black Stars and Simon the flag bearer at the NDC John Dramani Mahama, yes, ex-president. No, say pray. Say you better so about no ability or money be more than some to you. Also, the uncle your Black Stars who GD say way into Ghana and me qualify for the AFCON.
Black Stars mpoa near the chichi yewre kakra and the Black Stars at Titia Pansa 20 years ni Emre bia yebebo African Cup Black Stars go be. And so and the qualification point me and qualify. Ye jama Sudan munyina Sudan na ye kontokwa wo o ma qualify ko African Cup and Black Stars there ya kefie.
Right, until Mehwa Samraning. Now, Yanko Fatal Shaku. Why in surgery area? Nano, yade I can see a share so I've gone qualify anymore no prakakra. I ain't never quite a to job on Katia surgery and some kids where they can't corner here the rest of the season on to be in Siakai.
Yeni Angola di bomuye yano pe ena branti ne ho treche ma no bia nim baby potia e prana do krono no nanso adokotafo ede ne tumpem adom osuko ne ho na mu no omakwa ko hu sa branti yi asoshe kese pa na beto ne so a also mo de nade ka no enu ntie no a nade mo de ka no no bibi atrasumu a adotafo kro ya e kire se season ayo mu yi ontumi nyina mu nsi akan biem fatao ishaku ni ko todwe no e prana no odene enti abosome be ye nwotwe e konkron no Leicester City abrantie yi akan obesiri ma o my Ghana no akọwie no epra ishaku season akan hodo duba ko na wasi a wo ma assist mienu enu nti Leicester City coach nani abrepa esa abrantie won konkosa na ho yade no so ba
Right, Abdul Fattah Shaku ne and Sabono Yawoshino speedy recovery. Franco Trading Enterprise, Wala Natural Mineral Water, and sponsors. Now, Yanko Pimu or the Ghana Football Association and the few Banoenra and Penny4 represented buses at the Man Division 1 clubs are hold on. So, when Biason a promise out the Maomo into one bomb home a Division 1 a boy last season in Moon Shambo. Second Biaso, this are Bassi Bema to say Super Cup on boys so among Bohum Ding so deal with Mokwa United near the Biasan Monomono, Obia Ajanabas Shate Enra.
Boboku a day decline on Sakan Bieno, young apostles, Techiman Heroes, Victory Club Warriors, Bashake Holy Stars, New Dibiasi United, Ebuswan Dwarfs, Vision FC, Okwa United, Enafei Hoho United, and Penny 4H, let's say, Afie Munu, Division 1, Zone 1, 2, no 3. Omane to so ba ko menu no miensenti yedi kan de omode ama oma kanyina omode ba be ka ho se ne be ya maya nso ekwamu ba be da honom no mo nso age omode GF tibre kese kete kraku wotwa homam ya wode nsafo ama aboboko wura nom no wieye no e na wo kire se one executive council no nsem wo mo kan ye e o GF congress na se no a e na wodi hu dwuma ka hyenhyen bobo kwinsa kan nanso wa nema bebre na waka no wo beye ni nyina.
I very much want to thank my ESCO who are represented here for the belief and for the trust in the vision. We have said that it's important for us to fix the fundamentals. One of the fundamental needs of our clubs is transport. We have also said that it's important for us to create wealth and to share wealth. And if you remember, I did say in Kumasi that through our collective performances at that time, our inflows had increased, and we're going to give part of our inflows to our clubs. This is a living testimony of that promise. So as we go along the journey of fixing the fundamentals, we also create wealth and we also share the wealth for all of us. Today, it is the turn of our Division 1 clubs. Tomorrow, it may be the turn of our Women Premier League clubs. A day after tomorrow, it may be regional football, and next, and then the next, and then the next. Again, on behalf of the Executive Committee, I want to thank you very much for the support. On behalf of our clubs, thank you very much for being patient, because Kumasi and today has been a long journey. But you've been patient, you've been positive, you've believed in the vision, and today it is real.
Right, fantastic. I know Nadia Corson, now the Accra Sports to my brother, FA President, the key, a show beyond some Money Bas, Ubi and Remuhe, to Remu appears, Bas with a Yafam pet, call the key amano, now call. Why, dear, the idea, my bon sem practice, you will brute with you try one, I could try pictures of Baby Nunango for that. I'm on yes, Bas is then in Mukwesa. Jeff Capo. Where's a Camuyan said, Nina need to be and confess him Biama. So, as I now something which is then idea. But you will see the stories Nachi, Sanse Edenamu, as I say Munya Fenama, wine, a bioham, and you say Nina and Munya few, Sabaco Penny Munya few. Ah, well, it is the bus behind Bas Nadicotini, as well said Jeff. So I say, if you are saying, serious, old to me, so be a new. But the very story Nachi, and he is a pampa a fifth hand bus. Any of the man clubs na send clubs ni bi one. Wala natural me now what am the can some no adwere mu de brew, and of course so be no mun so wala natural me now water na no mun so keke no mun so a abodwo so nsu a we assured say nyese galam say bi ne yakotu ne bia be famu na wono makoyare wala natural me now water. Now eno edan chen a Franco Trading Enterprise Black Friday, and ochina ejinamu den yatete so adada na yesan so hwi asaka ho. Air condition from 1.5 horsepower to 2.0 horsepower to 2.5 horsepower. We be our Franco Trading Enterprise. Fridge bia. Fridge 10 gram. Ya demandare tasara jine mu kro be kum. Sa me nim de opeso de she fridge ni mu nya bi of Franco Trading Enterprise. Bibia bi wo. We do ku aponche na mpeso twa aponche mpeso ku kura aponche na ntwi e de shem kra be nya bi ho. Franco Trading Enterprise. Omo ton fridge bia bi. Then of course speakers. Jejigum. Wo ha no bonyum kakra na ama okra akuma to ne yam agigigim kakra TV so 32 to 86 inch wo benya bi e Franco from 0246 42 2338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 Franco Trading Enterprise App Store, Play Store, download your app no na niema nya easy ma hokra da otade hokra say app no so kra de ya sansan te so kakra but niema na obewi na wo de yari ebo ba kwa kunu ma mienu kama Franco ya da masa no pay some kan homa ye den some no e de e buy yeah anopai yancha Mr. James Wiafe Akenten, Mr. James Wiafe Akenten, CEO of Kent Homes. Yes, me besra mo bodwuma mo bodwuma. Yes, Kent Homes me beje me de Benjamin Fee na betre no ma dwodwo me ho mo bodwuma pa Kent Homes. Mr. James Wiafe Akenten, fantastic morning going out to you. Odan efe me Judi pa. But to Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padibo train producers. Ya na wakai e de nankasa ka kejuwa ne ho. Erica see du body ne de akoyi de apomuni won sambe wo no na ye besa pay ho so ti no shaking kura akoso hebedwam.